Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Meltano for ELT with Singer Taps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Meltano for ELT with Singer Taps, start by ensuring you have Python installed on your machine. Visit the official Python website to download and install the latest version compatible with your operating system. Once Python is installed, verify the installation by opening your command line interface and typing Python version. Next, you will need to install Meltano. Open your command line interface again. Type the command pip install Meltano to start the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. After it's done, you can create a new Meltano project. To do this, type Meltano init your _project _name in the terminal, replacing your _project _name with your preferred project name. Change into the newly created project directory by entering cd your _project _name. To set up Singer Taps, you'll first need a list of the taps you want to use. Visit the Meltano Hub website to browse available Singer Taps. Once you've selected a tap, you can install it using a simple command. For instance, type Meltano add tap _name, replacing tap _name with the specific name of the chosen tap. It will download the tap and add it to your project. Next, you'll need to configure the tap for your data source. Locate the tap configuration file in your project's meltano.yml file. Edit this file with the required credentials and settings for your data source. After configuring the tap, it's time to set up the extract load transform process. Use the command meltano install to ensure all necessary dependencies are installed. Once everything is set, you can run your extraction process. Type Meltano run tap _name target _name, replacing tap _name and target _name with your specific tap and destination targets. Monitor the terminal for any messages during the extraction process to ensure everything is functioning correctly. After the process is complete, check your target location to verify the data has been successfully extracted. Congratulations, you have now downloaded and set up Meltano with Singer Taps for your ELT process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.